So in this live stream, I'm gonna start by looking at Bitcoin. Thank you so much for your confirmation. And so far, all I'm looking forward to see on Bitcoin, if we're bullish, I want to see a break of 1 hour structure right here. After that, then I wait for a retest, look for a 5-minute shift to market structure, and then continuation to the upside. So overall, I still remain bullish on Bitcoin. And if we're looking at 6 months, looks very pretty much bullish. Look at 3-month time frame. On 3-month time frame, we're still bullish. We created a higher low, broke structure right here, closed above it. So I wouldn't be surprised to see a retest at this green line being the bodies of the candle. So let's look at 12-month time frame. So let me remove the logarithmic scale. So my analysis remained the same. Very bullish on Bitcoin, anticipating to see higher prices. 3-month time frame significantly broke structure, closed above it, came back down for a retest, bodies of the candle. So if we do see that 1 hour break, I'll look for buys to continue higher. So the next thing, we're gonna go back to Forex and look at what the dollar is doing so far. As you can see, the dollar is still showing some rejection, potentially intending to go higher. So I wouldn't be surprised because this high, in my opinion, low resistance liquidity resting right here. So I wouldn't be surprised to see price expand to run this liquidity. And still take note, we have sell side liquidity resting right here. In as much as this looks closer for price to mitigate and run the sell side liquidity, in as much as this is much closer, anything can happen. We could have a high impact news that could take us higher to run the buy side first. So we'll look at the economic calendar to see what's going on. Today is Thursday, May 2nd, and we have high impact news by 1:30 p.m. today in 2 hours. So we're going to see what that gonna happen. We're going to see the impact it's going to have in the market. We'll also have a high impact news on card by 1:45 p.m. Like I said previously this morning, I'm bullish on card still. Still want to see higher prices, and this high impact news potentially we could see what's that going to do on card as well. So tomorrow we're not going to be streaming tomorrow being Friday, and we're also not going to be streaming on Monday because there's a bank holiday for the pound. So tomorrow no streaming, Monday no streaming as well. So take note of that. But if we do see any high probability setup, we're still going to share with the members. But tomorrow and Monday, there'll be no streaming. So from Friday, no streaming till Monday, no streaming. Streaming continues on Tuesday. So that being said, we have high impact news 1:30 on the dollar, and tomorrow we have non-farm employment change 1:30 tomorrow as well. So I'm going to be watching this very closely tomorrow, even though we're not going to be streaming, but I'll be watching this very closely to see what's going to happen eventually. So we go back to the chart to see what's happening. So far, nothing really much to work with here. Maybe the high impact news might come out and drop price to run the sell side liquidity, or maybe it will take price to run the buy side liquidity. Nobody knows, but I'm going to be watching it very closely. Looking at Euro US dollar, so you can see price mitigated the extreme premium zone. After that mitigation, we saw a rejection to the downside. So personally, I'm not going to be trading euro for now, unless you come into an extreme discount or we eventually go to an extreme premium, the over extreme premium right here. Two places I will be comfortable buying or selling euro. It's either here, extreme discount, or here, extreme premium. One or the other. I'm not going to buy within the range because we're just trading within the range. And as you can see, so far price came into the extreme discount, rejected of that position. So I'm just not going to buy this or sell this for now. My only interest for now is on USD card, and I'm watching my key level resting right here. Right here is my key level I'm watching on USD card. We'll have a high impact news by 1:45 p.m. today, and I'll be watching that closely to see if it's either gonna take price spike up or send us into this key level for a potential accumulation continuation. So I'll be on the sidelines watching. If I do see price coming here, I'll wait for it to shift the market structure. And then if it looks good, then I'll share with the members. If it doesn't, then we'll just call it a day. So for gold, like I said previously on gold, I still want to see this low get taken on gold. I'm not buying it from where we are currently. I don't like it. I don't like this key level. Anything can happen and take price to the upside, but personally, I'm not interested. I still want to see price come down here. If we come in here, I see 5 minutes break, I'll buy it. AUDUSD, as you can see, I wanted to see a 1 hour break from here. Is there a 1 hour break of structure? Absolutely. We have a high here. And we significantly broke that structure. So now we'll start looking for the last down close candles. 2 hour time frame. So far, this seems to be the last down close candle. This looks quite. It's not really the best looking kind of trade in my opinion. This is the last push before expansion eventually broke structure. So I'm just still a bit skeptical about this trade, to be honest, but this is what I'm watching. I'm watching this position. If we do come into this position, then I'll wait to see a 5 minute shift from here. If I see a 5 minute shift to market structure from here, then I'll buy it. But if not, I'll just be on the sidelines. So that'll be all for AUD/USD. I'll just be watching from that key level. Nothing really interesting going on so far in the markets. Let's look at the indices. So for the indices, I said I'm watching this high. Personally, I still wouldn't trade this, irrespective of the fact that we're trending to the upside. I don't like the trade setup. If I want to buy or sell it, I'll only be interested in buying it from this key level. Anything above that, I'm not interested. Looking at US 30, you can see inefficiency here. That's the only place I'll be interested in buying US 30. Anything else above that, I'm not interested. Looking at S&P 500. S&P 500 looks good, but I will only be interested in buying it if it comes here. So that is all I'm looking for. Nothing really much exciting going on in the marketplace today. It's just very lethargic, and when the market is this lethargic, I tend to do nothing because you could get in a buy and get wiped out, get in a sell, get wiped out. So that'll be all for today from me, and Charlie will also be coming on soon on 1:30 live stream to drop a lot of gems to every single one of you. I appreciate you all for tuning in today, and I'll talk to you all next week, Tuesday. So after Charlie's live stream, that'll be all from us for the rest of the week until Monday. So Tuesday will be the next time you'll hear from us on the live stream. So I appreciate you all, and I'll talk to you all next time. Have an amazing day and an amazing weekend.